the Frontiers of Flight Museum, and this is the Frontiers of Flight Museum official aircraft, it looks like. It's kind of neat. It's got everything labeled so you can see what all the parts do. Tells you where to step, where not to step. Flap, what a drag. Aileron. Got all kinds of info over here. Lessons on how an aircraft flies on the side of the airplane. But the crazy thing is, this is supposed to be a two-seater aircraft. And man, two people are going to fly in this thing. It's going to be really, really good friends. That is Tyson right there.